So today we are going to discuss the graphical representation of linear equations in two variables. How can you represent a given linear equation on the graph? Okay, so the method is what you have learned till now, finding solution of a linear equation in two variable. You will use those solutions only to plot the graph of linear equation. So let's see how that can be done. Now for a given linear equation in two variable, you already know that it can have infinitely many solutions. It is not just one. If you substitute one value of x, you can find a corresponding value of y. If you substitute another value of x, then another value of y you will get. So like this, how many ever values of x you substitute, corresponding to that a different value of y you will get. So like that there can be infinitely many pairs of solution. Now why there are infinitely many solutions? That is because geometrically or graphically a linear equation represents a line. It represents a straight line on the graph. And line, as you know, it extends indefinitely in both the directions. It does not have any finite length. So since the length of the line is infinite, you can have infinitely many points also on that line. And each point on that line, that is one solution of that equation. So you will first you will find a set of solutions for a given linear equation. You can have 2, 3 or multiple points you can find out, and those points will be plotted on the graph. And those points, when you join, then you will get a straight line, and that will represent that linear equation. So suppose if you have an equation x plus y equal to 4, so we have to find first solutions. So for first solution, I will substitute x equal to 0. If I put x equal to 0, I will get y equal to 4. Because their sum is 4. So if x is 0, then y should be 4. So 0, 4. This is one solution. If I put x equal to 4, then I will get y equal to 0. So 4, 0 is another solution. Both these are solutions of x plus y equal to 4. Then I need to make a solution table like this. Solution table will give you all the values of x and y. At a glance you can see what are the values of x and corresponding to that what are the values of y. So from solution table it will be easy for you to plot the graph. So once we find a set of solutions, we will make the solution table like this. For x0, y is 4, and for x4, y is 0. Next, we will draw the x and y axis, and we will mark the coordinates. Then 4, 0 is this point on the x-axis, and 0, 4 is this point on the y-axis. So if you join these points, this line that you get is x plus y is equal to 4. And you can extend this line indefinitely. So all the points that will lie on that line will be the solutions of that. So you can take multiple values. You can have 4 points also. 1, 3, 3, 1, all will lie, or 2, 2, all will lie on the same line. So for x minus y equal to 2 also, I will first substitute x equal to 0. Now 0 is the simplest value which you can put and easily find out. So such values should be taken which you can solve mentally and you can easily find out the values. So if x is 0, then minus y is 2 or y is minus 2. So 0 minus 2 is one solution. Then when I put x equal to 2, then I get y equal to 0. So 2, 0 is another solution. So these are the 2 points which I can plot on the graph and represent it graphically. So this will be the graph of the equation. This point is 2, 0 and this point is 0, minus 2. So you will join and you will extend. An arrow should be put on both the sides because it is a line and it is extending indefinitely in both the directions.